Hey YouTube, this is Zeusx21, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can improve your RDP use. RDP, or Remote Desktop, is a staple in most IT administrators' toolkit. It can be a great tool to connect to remote computers without needing third-party software. But there is a way to improve using RDP that most people aren't aware of. This improvement should work on Windows 7 and above, but I've only verified it on Windows 10, so your mileage may vary. So one thing I deal with all the time at my work is trying to copy files through a computer I'm going to be remoting into, either to install software on it or do whatever. But there's a way in Remote Desktop to allow you to attach local drives to remote computers. It'll even work with virtual machines running through Hyper-V or computers on another domain, as long as you can connect to it. This is done through changing a setting in your RDP default connection. This is a file that controls all the settings you choose when you remote into another computer. You can find the file at usually under C, Users, Documents, and then Default. And you can even look at it if you want, but it's kind of a pain to edit it. And it holds your default settings for your profile. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to go to Start, Search, and type in RDP, and then choose the top option. Alright, and then we'll get the normal remote desktop connection box. We don't have to worry about the computer listed in here. We want to go down to Show Options. Alright, and then we want to go over to Local Resources tab. And then at the bottom of Local Resources, we want to go to More. Alright, and then in here, this is choose devices and resources on this computer that you want to use in your remote session. And you see here there's one for drives. So if you click on the plus, you see you have all the drives that are connected to your computer, like your C drive, your D drive, even network drives. And even you can choose drives that I plug in later, like USB drives. So what you want to do is you can put a check in and add all of them, but that's a little overkill. So you can just put a check in the drive you want to add, and then you can hit OK. And then you want to go back to General. Alright, and then you have two options. You can hit Save, which will update the default remote desktop connection, so that'll add that C drive to any device you connect to using the default profile. You can do Save As, which will save it in a separate one, so like if you need certain drives for certain servers, you could do a Save As and group that by the server you need. But I'm just going to go ahead and hit Save. Alright, and then if you close it out, and then we're just going to verify that it actually stuck. So if we go back to RDP and go back to Show Options, Local Resources, More, there it is. It's still added. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like to have the drive added. So if we connect, get rid of that. This is one of my servers, so we'll just minimize that. And then if we go to File Explorer, you see it has C drive on your computer name, and you can just open it up and have access to all your files. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully this video helped make remoting into computers easier. It's pretty easy setting this to set up once you figure out where it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments, you can go ahead and put those down below, and I'll see you guys next time.